What's up everybody, I'm Gavi Cătuț and today I have for you another episode from what happened if you did that or that. Last time in last episode I take the key out and on the freaking window. So today I want to do something else. What if, or what's happened if you press by mistake or voluntary the start-stop engine? What happened with the car? The car will stop, function, and put you in a bad situation, or it just have I don't know, something against stupid, you know? He don't gonna stop. So we're gonna jump in the freaking car. The light is not good, and we have a problem because the night is coming. But we'll jump in the freaking car, and I will try to do that to see what's happened. Hey guys, I'm back in the freaking car, and sorry for the cater, but the freaking 4K camera is stopped working. It's the next freaking day. I tried yesterday to film, but for a reason or other, when I press the record button to record on 4K, the cam is stopped function. Simply, I don't know what it is. It's a freaking garbage, nothing more. I don't use it for some time, maybe more than a year or something, but it's trash. I will take this one because the CD card is more expensive than the freaking camera right now. This is trash. It's garbage. So yeah, we are cruising now at 58, and I'm gonna press the freaking button. No one around, so the pilot is stop working. The car is still function. I'll press it again. Nothing happened. Okay, and I know from some car, I will let this one to pass me. I know from some car, if you keep the button pressed for 3 seconds or so, the engine is gonna stop, you know. If you have, I don't know, a problem or an issues or something, and you really need to have your engine stop, it's gonna stop. But let's see what happens. So I will keep it pressing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, nothing happened. Nothing happened. The car is still working. So yeah, he have a dummy protection or something. If you press it by mistake, or you are just stupid enough like me to see what happened if you press it, this is happening, nothing. So everything is work like it's supposed to work, and yeah, he don't stop. I don't know if it's just for this car. I know for other car, if you keep that button pressed, it's gonna stop. But this car have like almost everything electric, you know. The power steering is electric and so on. So I think this is the freaking reason, because if the engine is gonna stop when I press that button, I will have a freaking problem with the direction, you know. I think I can stop it safely, you know. The power steering will be a little bit harder to move, but I don't think it's a problem. But yeah, I don't know. This car, the Renault car, cannot be stopped. So if my engine is gonna stop fire or something, I will have a problem to stop this freaking car, you know, because I need to stop, and after that take the key out and start up the freaking engine. So yeah, I think this is the freaking video. Enjoy yourself, enjoy your day, and I catch you to the next one. Ciao for now. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.